We'll continue our study of LINQ to see how we can prepare HTML with LINQ. That is, how can we send a formatted HTML to the output. Suppose our objective is to display a table like this. This table is an HTML table. Name, marks, rank, student name N3, marks 54, rank 1, N1 49, rank 2. So we are basically rendering HTML. We are to return the whole of the HTML from the action method. This can be done. So if you want to return HTML from the action method directly, then it is possible. So we shall now query the database and mix it into an HTML code and finally return it to the screen so that it can be displayed. See this one. So this is code that has already been written. This is our model. See student data, string name get set, public int marks get set, public bool knows MVC. So this is our C student data model, and we shall now query this model and send a formatted HTML to the screen. We shall display the name of the student, the marks obtained, and also a rank to the screen. This is the code that we can just have a look at it. This is the code that we'll write in the get data function. Get data function is returning string, and the bracket starts here and the bracket ends here. So we have our string builder, and here somewhere we have written the code for the collection that is coming after adding records of C student data. You can refer to the previous examples we have been doing. So in that only, this is an extension of that code. String builder SB is equal to new string builder is equal to ls dot order by descending, x goes to x dot marks. So the collection is to be ordered by descending on the marks property. And this is the type of the collection, and this is the key on which ordering is occurring. So the ordering has to be done on an int data type, and had it been an ordering on string, we would have written string here. To the string builder we are appending h1 result. This h1 result appears in bold on the page at the top here, result. Then a table, border is 1px. This should be border is equal to 1. Border is equal to 1 means that a table has border, and border is equal to 0 means border doesn't no border on the table. sp.append, this is the head tag, and we are rendering the heading name, marks, rank. T head is closed here. So the outer plumbing has been added here. And inside this for each loop, we'll be generating those TRs on each loop, and after this for each loop, we'll be closing the table here. sb.append table. Table is closed here. Int I is 1 is a counter that we are setting here. For each C student data CS in Q, sb.append format tr td 0. So it gets name, td closes, td opens, marks, and I++. So this is a rank that is being done in a very crude manner. if two or more students have the same marks, then rank should be same, but this will show just an increment even if it is same. So this rank is being shown on the basis of that the marks are being put in descending order. So if a highest student marks are there, then next highest rank will automatically increment. But if two students have the same marks, even then it will show 2 and 3, because we haven't put any code for that adjustment here, just to keep the things simple. So the first part is generating H1. The second part is generating the table header. Table will be closed here, and inside it for each student record a TR will be generated. So TR is generated for each student record. In effect, you are entering the HTML for a table. So this is the result that will come out. The result will be name, marks. This is the T head tag. This is the H1 tag, and these are the TRs in for each loop. And finally table tag is closed here. So there was nothing special about this exercise, because we have already been sending formatted HTML to the output when we used tags like this HR. So but this is to just make you comfortable with that it is possible. If you do not want to go into creating a special view and the host of the things there, then you can directly also format out and return the HTML. So we'll close it here. Thanks.